Oh yeah, take a look at this. First I get the four-wheeler stuck, then I go get the Jeep to get the four-wheeler out from being stuck. Then I get the Jeep stuck because I forgot that I took the 35s off when I went to Florida, and I have the stock slicks on there. So now I'm in a world of trouble. But I won't fear, because in the back shed, you guys all know, I have the Z950. The Z950 is going to come to the rescue. So guys, Aaron here, I'll see you in the snowstorm. All right, so you saw from that last bit of video that everything's stuck out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and meet up with my son. I'm gonna make my way down this driveway. He decided to go the snowy way. I am going this way. We're gonna go down to the barn and get the Z950. And we're gonna go ahead and pull out the Jeep and the CFMOTO 800XC four-wheeler that you will be able to see stuck right over there. So there he is up there. Get the Z950 going and get it to rescue us out of this. All right, it's windy out here, freaking cold. It's sunny out, which is nice, but it's cold. So bear with us. Anybody in there still? Yeah, there we go. All right, cool. So here it is. She's parked. All right, my son, you got all good to go?
No, I'm good to go.
He's in there standing here getting camera shy. All right, so we're gonna get, it's a mess. This thing is a beautiful mess. It just sits in here all winter long. Now she's gonna get her shining moment. All right, well, she started right up. She's been in there for a little while, but she's been hooked up to the battery tender, so no problem there. So far, so good. I'm gonna back out of here and see what we can do. So let's see here. So the problem is, it doesn't look overly stuck. The problem here is that the tires I have on there, they're just the original stock ones, and they're not made for this snow and ice. Everything in here, it's spinning, and then you got the four-wheeler over there stuck. And me trying to get in here to get that, clearly I got them both stuck. So we're gonna go ahead and hook the winch up here, and hopefully that'll help us, help us pull that out. I mean, you got I think a 3,500 pound winch, so that should definitely be able to do some of the trick here. Then we'll go ahead and use it to get the four-wheeler out. Here we go. Wish us luck. All right, so we're gonna take off the Rhino straps, which were really meant for another video down the road, but I guess we're gonna use these today. And no, I'm not affiliated with Rhino, but we're gonna use the straps. See, fortunately, when I have the big dog here to help me out, things get done. He's gonna let me do some filming while he takes care of the hard part. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put that on the tow hook. And then you've got the winch coming from the 950. We're gonna put that around the shackle. Gavin's gonna tighten that down. And then theoretically, this should work, and this should get the Jeep out, because I think with the addition of that being able to pull 3,500 pounds, me spinning the wheels on the Jeep, should be no problem. I mean, we've pulled some stuff out of heavy mud before, so I'm thinking, yeah, this should be no problem. This should be routine. So I hope. Okay. Now, what are we gonna do here?
I'm just gonna put pressure on.
So you're gonna back up?
Yeah.
With it?
I don't need that yet.
Do you need to start pulling with the winch at all?
I can tighten it real quick. Or you can do it.
Yeah, I'll do it.
But you like some slack out.
All right, so there's that. We're gonna leave some slack on that. Hold on, we're not in neutral yet. All right, here we go. All right, here we go, guys. Ready? So we've got Z950, first test, pulls the Jeep out with just using the winch. Did you even use the winch, or did you just pull while I went in reverse?
I went in diff lock.
So he went in diff lock and then pulled. So what do you think a Jeep weighs? About
44, somewhere in the
call it 4,000 pounds? I don't know.
42, 44.
I don't even know how much it weighs, in the thousands, and the Z950 did it. Now what we have to do is go ahead and get that four-wheeler out of there with the Z950. We will not be using the Jeep again. As we can tell, it'll get stuck. So as you can see, we're stuck down there pretty good. Yeah, then I got the snow all built up behind the plow. All right, here he comes. He's gonna get the thing as close as we can get it without him getting stuck in that. See what we can do here.
Now out is out.
Yeah. We noticed it was either wired wrong or something, but on that winch controller, if you push in, it starts, lets the cable out. If you push out, it pulls the cable in.
It's good now.
All right, so I think we're gonna use the Rhino strap. What do you want to do? Do you want to hook it up to, you want me to put the tow hitch on this and hook it up that way, or you want to just hook it up on the bar?
Just use this.
Yeah, you can do it that way. I was trying to keep, oh yeah, we got the rubber on there. That's right, I forgot about that. I was just trying to prevent it from getting all scratched.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there we go. That'll work. Oh yeah, that's how I had it earlier before when I was going to pull it out with the Jeep until I got stuck. Now for all you naysayers who are going to go, oh my God, never do things that way. We're backyard bumpkins. We're doing it the way we want to do it. So don't try this at home. What are you going to do over there? Just run it through? This should pull this right out, I think. I mean, the snow is, it's definitely, it's wet. That's the problem, it's wet. And I'm being too lazy to get in here and shovel, as you can see. I just don't want to deal with it. So we're going to try the muscle way. All right, so don't do anything yet. We're just going to, oh, now in's working as in. We're just going to go ahead and tighten this up, get some of the slack off. All right, okay.
Hold on. And make sure you try and turn to the right. You're going to have to wait.
Okay.
Ready? I'm just going to pull slowly.
So far, so good. Doesn't seem like it's going to be a problem. Z950, always. All right. You good? Want to back up some more? Now you'll go straight out?
I'm just going to get you out.
Okay. to get back out to the pavement. Well guys, once again, the Z950 proves victorious. Got the Jeep out, got the 800XC out, minimal work of shoveling, we went the lazy route, and it worked out in our favor. So guys, Aaron here, Simply New England Off-Road. Now, I'll definitely get to see you all on the trails. Thanks for tuning in.